Wait, AI can write your whole YouTube script in seconds. Let me show you how. Struggling to find the perfect YouTube title that actually gets clicks? Yep. A boring title means nobody's tapping your video. But don't worry. Today, I'll show you how to fix it fast using AI. Just pop your keywords into ChatGPT and boom! Fresh, catchy title ideas. Ready in seconds. Quick tip, always tweak the AI suggestions a little. Make them sound extra you. If you found this helpful, smash that like, hit subscribe, and stick around. More smart AI hacks coming your way.